Let us start with vitamin B1, that is thiamine. It is also called as anti-beriberi or anti-neuritic vitamin. It is a water-soluble vitamin and it consists of 2,5-dimethyl 6-amino pyrimidine linked with methylene bridge to 4-methyl 5 hydroxyethyl thiazole, 4-methyl 5 hydroxyethyl thiazole. So it is pyrimidine ring attached with methylene bridge to thiazole ring. It is a sulfur containing vitamin, and this group, OH group, is replaced by diphosphate to form thiamine pyrophosphate, which is active or coenzyme form of this thiamine. So this is thiamine. It is acted upon by thiamine diphosphotransferase to form thiamine pyrophosphate, and in this reaction ATP acts as a phosphate donor. So this is the structure of thiamine. In case of TPP, there occur ester formation at this position. So two phosphate groups are attached at hydroxyethyl, OH group of hydroxyethyl thiazole. This is regarding chemistry of thiamine. Now coming to sources. Sources of thiamine are cereals, pulses, oil seeds, meat, yeast. It is present in the outermost layer of the cereals or pulses or seeds, and hence it is easily removed during polishing. So unpolished rice should be consumed, and during cooking, as it is thiamine is water soluble and present in the outer layer of the seeds or cereals, it is extracted in the water during cooking. So this water should not be thrown, but it should be consumed. Recommended dietary allowances. Recommended dietary allowances for thiamine for children are 0.5 to 1 milligram per day. For adults, it is 1 to 1.5 milligram per day. And in case of pregnancy and lactation, it is up to 2 milligram per day. The requirement of thiamine rises in pregnancy and lactation. Coming to biochemical functions of thiamine. Thiamine take part in oxidative decarboxylation of keto acids. And examples are, number 1, pyruvate is acted upon by pyruvate dehydrogenase complex is converted to acetyl-CoA. TPP is required. This is a complex that contains 3 enzymes and 5 coenzymes. Similarly, oxidative decarboxylation of alpha keto glutarate to form succinyl-CoA in the presence of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. TPP is required. Then there are branch chain amino acid, valine, leucine and isoleucine. They are transaminated to form their respective keto acid, alpha keto isovalerate, alpha keto isocaproate and alpha keto beta methyl valerate. These are converted with the help of branch chain alpha keto acid dehydrogenase, branch chain alpha keto acids dehydrogenase to form isobutyryl-CoA, isovaleryl-CoA and alpha-methyl butyryl-CoA. In this reaction, it acts as a coenzyme in the complex. This thymine pyrophosphate also takes part in the transketolase reaction. Let us see transketolase reaction. To start with, glucose 6-phosphate. These reactions are taking place in hexose monophosphate shunt. Glucose 6-phosphate under various reactions is converted into xylulose 5-phosphate and ribose 5-phosphate. This is acted upon by transketolase in presence of TPP, and TPP is carrier of these 2 carbon unit containing a ketone from keto sugar to aldose sugar. Thereby, aldose sugar is converted into keto sugar 2 carbon higher, whereas keto sugar is converted into aldose sugar with 2 carbon less. So xylulose 5-phosphate is converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and ribose 5-phosphate is converted into pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. Now these are acted upon by Transaldolase. Transaldolase do not require TPP. Transaldolase, whereby fructose 6-phosphate is generated. In this, 3 carbon units are transferred from keto group from ketone sugar to aldose sugar, thereby formation of fructose 6-phosphate and a keto having 3 carbon more and erythrose 4-phosphate aldose with 3 carbon less. Now, in next reaction, xylulose, which is a keto sugar, combines with erythrose, which is a aldose sugar. In presence of transketolase, which requires TPP for 2 carbon transfer. Now this erythrose 4-phosphate is converted into fructose 6-phosphate by accepting 2 carbon unit containing a keto group, and this xylulose 5-phosphate is converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, forming aldehyde with 2 carbon less. So these reactions are taking place to form pentoses in various cells, which pentoses are required for nucleic acid synthesis. And third important reaction or third important function of thymine is with the help of thymine triphosphate. Thymine triphosphate, this is a chloride channel of neurons. What thymine triphosphate do? Thymine triphosphate phosphorylate this chloride channel in neurons, thereby allowing movement of chloride in and out of this neuron. This is important for nerve transmission. So thymine triphosphate phosphorylates chloride channel protein, thereby activates chloride channel protein, thereby enhances movement of chloride in the nerve cell. These are very important functions of this thymine pyrophosphate. These are important for energy generation. These are important for HMP shunt. These are important for chloride movement in the nerve cell. Now, when there occur deficiency of thymine pyrophosphate, TPP, or deficiency of thymine, TPP is not there, not produced. So this reaction is not taking place normally. So pyruvate is not converted into acetyl-CoA. What will happen? Pyruvate concentration in the tissues rises. Pyruvate concentration rises in the tissues. Pyruvate concentration rises in the brain too. This is toxic to the brain. Then pyruvate concentration rises in the blood and pyruvate is excreted in urine. Pyruvate is converted when high in concentration. Pyruvate is acted upon by pyruvate lactate dehydrogenase, and thereby it will synthesize lactate. So concentration of lactate will also increase along with pyruvate, leading to lactic acidosis. Alpha ketoglutarate is not converted into succinyl-CoA, thereby this TCA cycle is hampered. TCA cycle is hampered, and this valine, leucine and isoleucine are not properly metabolized. This valine, leucine and isoleucine are important amino acids. These supply energy to brain during starvation or in between the meals. And now they are not going to provide energy to the brain. So energy metabolism of brain suffered the most. Transketolase activity is hampered, transketolase activity is affected, and erythrocytes transketolase activity is estimated in order to identify whether there is thymine deficiency or not. We get decreased transketolase activity in erythrocytes in case of thymine deficiency. And then the problem is transfer of chloride ions. There is impaired transfer of chloride ion across nerve membrane, and thereby it causes problem in the impulse transmission. Also, this acetyl-CoA which is not synthesized is properly due to less activity or low activity of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. This acetyl-CoA is important for synthesis of acetylcholine. Which is a neurotransmitter, and acetyl-CoA is also precursor for synthesis of fats or lipids, especially myelin. So myelin synthesis is also affected, acetylcholine is affected, energy metabolism is deranged, and transketolase activity is less, chloride movement across nerve membrane is hampered. Coming to deficiency manifestation of thymine, the deficiency manifestation of this thymine is called as beriberi. In Sihilese, this beriberi means I cannot. So the first person is exhausted, he cannot perform the functions. This can be due to accumulation of lactate in the muscles, there is fatigue, there is improper nerve conduction as I have explained. So initially there is fatigue, loss of appetite, nausea. Then this beriberi can be of different types. It is of, first one is dry beriberi. First let us discuss about wet beriberi. In wet beriberi, there occur, as the name suggests, edema. More of the cardiovascular symptoms are seen. There occur breathlessness, there occur palpitations, swelling on the calf muscles, then accumulation of water and sodium retention leading to edema. Systolic blood pressure is raised, diastolic blood pressure is decreased, and pulse volume is increased, thereby fast and bouncing pulse, distended neck veins, there occur cardiac dilatation and cardiac failure and death if not treated. Dilatation of heart failure and death if not treated properly. Then coming to symptoms of dry beriberi. These are predominant neuronal symptoms. and these symptoms are muscular weakness, ataxic gait, person cannot lift himself up, he needs support, the loss of weight is seen, mental confusion. Generally, this wet beriberi and dry beriberi do not exist separately, and the symptoms of this wet beriberi and dry beriberi overlap, and it is called as a mixed beriberi. Then coming to infantile beriberi. Infantile beriberi is seen in the infants born to the mother who have deficiency of thiamine, and they are not getting thiamine in the breast milk, so they develop the symptoms of this infantile beriberi. In this, the major symptoms are sleeplessness, restlessness, bouts of crying is due to cardiac dilatation, there occur vomiting, convulsions, muscular weakness, and cardiac failure. Last deficiency symptom is Wernicke Korsakoff syndrome. This syndrome is seen in chronic alcoholic persons. During alcohol consumption, there is increased requirement of thiamine, but alcoholics have poor diet, and alcohol interferes with absorption of thiamine. So there occur thiamine deficiency, and hence this Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome is seen. This is combination of Wernicke's encephalopathy. Wernicke's encephalopathy includes nystagmus, continuous movement of eyeballs, then ophthalmoplegia, there occur paralysis of ocular muscles, and thereby movement of eye is restricted. Latter cases, initially it was nystagmus, then ophthalmoplegia, and then cerebellar ataxia, disturbed gait is seen. Korsakoff psychosis is apathy, mental impairment, confusion, and loss of memory. Together these cause Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. Coming to thiaminase. Thiaminase is the enzyme which destroys thiamine, and it is present in some seafood, especially in some fishes. If they are eaten raw, then these causes they destroy the thiamine present in the diet, and thereby causes thiamine deficiency or beriberi. The raw fishes are eaten in Japan. There is famous dish called as sushi, and in that they use this raw fishes, and this thiamine deficiency is due to thiamine deficiency. Beriberi is common in Japan. Then there are antivitamins called as pyridine and oxythiamine. This pyrithiamine is present in fern, So if some cattle or horses eat this fern in large quantities, then due to pyrethymine, there occur a deficiency of thiamine in them, and there are symptoms of thiamine deficiency. Thiamine responsive disorders. Some disorders respond to high doses of thiamine. One is lactic acidosis. As more and more pyruvate is converted into acetyl-CoA, it is less is converted into lactate, and hence lactic acidosis is cured with high doses of thiamine to some extent. And second is maple syrup urine disease, which is disease caused due to low activity of this disease is caused due to low activity of alpha ketobranch keto acid dehydrogenase, and in case of very high doses of thiamine is given, then the metabolism is occurs properly, so that this condition also responds to high doses of thiamine.